Hi everyone, this is the rates, ratios, proportions, percentages. This is the second part of the difficulty level of medium. So you should read the problem and try to answer it, and pausing the video and then try to answer it. So basically we have disproportion, so go ahead and pause it and try to answer it. Okay, so basically don't panic when you see a lot of information, and let's just take one piece at a time. You're not given an amount for the population of Houston, so start by picking one. If Houston has 100 people, a nice number to pick, whether the problem involves, whenever a problem involves percents, then according to the question, we'd have 50 men and 50 women. Okay? Furthermore, 10% of 100, or 0.10 times 100, which is, this would be 10%, equals 10 people approve the ordinance. The 10 people that approve the ordinance are not evenly split by gender. 7 are men and 7 are women and 3 are men. Thus, overall, 3 men in the 50 in Houston approved the ordinance. So, according to this, that's why we picked the 100. We have 3 men of the 50 approved the ordinance. And apparently, I forgot to put the answer in. This was supposed to be 3. Alright. So let me go ahead and put the answers in, so we know, just in case you got it. You had 3 out of 10, 3 out of 47, and our answer was 3 out of the 50, and the other answer was 3 out of 100. Okay, the next question. Alright, so go ahead and read the question, pause the video, and try to answer it. This is number 11. Okay, questions that involve rates, especially rates related to time, often require logical thinking rather than the use of algebraic equations. So we got to just determine how many acres need dusting. So we're going to go ahead and determine that first. We have 8 times 0.75 plus 12 times 1.5, and this is 6 plus 18 equals 24 acres. Okay? One crop duster can dust half an acre in 25 minutes, or a whole acre in 50 minutes. So, thus, if one duster were to do the whole job, it would take 24 times 50 minutes per acre, which equals 1,200 minutes. Okay, which is, let's do hours. If you do hours, you divide by 60, so that would give you 20 hours. However, the job needs to be completed in 5 hours, which is 1/4 of this. So we have 20, and it has to be done in 1/4 of that. So to get the job done in only 1/4 of the time, we need to use 4 times 1 equals 4 crop dusters. So Mary needs to use 4 crop dusters, which is A. So it's just kind of using logical thinking here. And the next one, go ahead and read the problem. And I think this is a griddable, so you're going to have to just grid this one in. So what we're going to do is make sure that you answer the right question. Especially it's important in grid in questions. So keep on track and keep reading back the question. So let's just think logically here. And we have 250 subscribers. Let's put subs. And 68% are male. Okay. So this means we have 250 times 0.68 equals 170 male subscribers. I was going to put sub for subscribers. After some females unsubscribe, the total subscriber count is 1.3 times the number of male subscribers. So for a total of 170 times 1.3 equals 221 subscribers. Now this is where you have to pause and make sure you solve for the right thing. The question asks for the number of females who unsubscribed. So basically what you're going to do is take 250, which is a total, minus the 221, which is the total male subscribers, and that gives you 29 females. Okay? I'm going to do the same thing for the next thing. Here's the budget. Go ahead and pause this and read this. This is a category. It gave me the two names for the people, and I left it out. So I'm just calling the couple as the first person and the second person. So this is your couple. And this is their monthly amount. And these are their expenses. That's why they're in parentheses. Okay, so read the problem, and then we're going to try to solve this. And the question is this. So the couple would like to buy a house that costs $2,300,000, and the monthly payment would be $730, and the annual property taxes would be 2.5% of the purchase price. So by what percent could the couple cut the monthly food spending in order to buy this particular house? So the food spending right here, if we look at it, is $400. So what we want to do is look at this, and we're going to follow any directions that are given. So we want to compute the property taxes of the home. So that's going to be $230,400 times 2.5%, and that's divided by 12. Because there's 12 months in a year, equals $480 per month. So that's what they're going to have to pay for the property taxes. Now we're going to tabulate their the couple's monthly gains and losses. So basically just add everything up, and we get 1,300. I'm not going to put the dollar signs. Plus, they didn't show up very good on this anyway. 1,600 minus 220 minus 400 minus 100 minus 550 minus 120 minus 730 minus 480, and that equals 300. So they have $300 extra here. That means they can save $300 each month. However, they won't buy the house unless they can save $400 per month. So to make up the deficit, they could save $100 off their monthly food bill, which is, so that's going to be $100 over $400, which is 0.25, which is 25%. So you're going to grid in 25 because they're asking for the percent. And it says answer as a whole number. Okay, it says what percent. Okay, the next step we're going to do the difficulty levels considered hard. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.